lines on the wall, Dad? Well, they mean how big you are. So you can measure me.
Let's see. Okay.
That's real big.
Wow. Let's see.
Whoa. I'm a lot bigger. Now I'm bigger than babies. I am.
You're a big boy.
Yeah, I'm bigger than babies.
You're definitely not a baby, are you?
No.
It says here, your last mark, you were, what, 4 foot a half inch? No, that was 4'12".